Hello and welcome to Before You Buy, where we take a look inside the box before you buy yours. This week's kit is from AMT, a 64 hardtop customizing kit of the Mercury Marauder Fastback. It is a 3-in-1 featuring stock custom and racing parts. This box is a very nice representation of the original 64 box. Quick, easy tell on the cover is the lack of the Troy, Michigan date. And of course, as we go around the box, see some more modern features such as barcodes. There's our 95 Erdl copyright. There's a look at our Gene Winfield customized version. Build this beautiful custom. On the end card, again, you can see the shape of the box being very true to the 64 style. Kit number of 6022, and there's a look at a racing version. Again, so now we've seen the custom and racing versions. On the side, we get some of the custom features and features inside the kit for the racing car. A little throwback ad for the AMT authentic spray lacquers, metallics, candies, and other things. And here's the other end card with the racing. On the reverse or underside, we've got the AMT Erdl information, but there it is. Again, the cover card being the stock kit. So let's take a look inside the box. I've not been in here, just took the wrapper off before filming. So right on top, we've got the body and other parts. Instructions in the middle. Chassis is loose. There are 4 tires. Chrome, clears, reds. Then we got some metal axles and screws rolling around. Let me get everything unbagged and we'll get a closer look. And of course, we'll start off with a quick look through the instructions. Photos at the end if you'd like to see more. But we're going to start off with the engine. There is a supercharged version there. See a nice little belt-driven supercharger. Cool little Supercharged V8 wheels and chassis. Getting your wheels and tires together. Onto the interior. Choose your way, stock, custom, or drag. Pick and choose which options you like. Moving on to the body portion. Seeing some of that come together. Kind of neat there. It's mentioning turning your car into a slot car and the AMT spray lacquer advertising. Very cool. Again, being very throwback to 1964. And on to final assemblies. We got stock assembly. Again, there is no part numbers in this kit. It is just a order of assembly is the numbers shown, but it's fairly easy to kind of match photos as you go along instead of numbers. There's our racing and our customizing. Plenty of custom options going on there. If you like custom cars like I do, that's a great little kit from the looks of it. Moving on, we'll start off with some metal parts. We'll start off with the little hood clip, a little kind of C-ring, kind of holds your hood up and down. Again, this is from 1964, the early screw bottoms. We do get 4 screws of the Phillips head variety to attach your chassis to your body, and then we get 2 steel metal axles in this kit. Moving on, tires, we get 4 tires and 4 tires only. They are Firestone Supremes. Very nice stock appearing tires. There's no special tires for the racing or custom, so either source your own or that's what you get. Moving on, we will start off with that chassis. Again, that screw bottom. Original promo style with everything molded in. May not be the most popular, but they still build up into nice displaying kits. You can note the different ride heights there with your axle holes. Again, we'll still create a nice looking model. Moving on to the body, the main part of her. Looking pretty good, that 64 Mercury. Up front, we've got a Marauder badge. Got another side trim there. Going down the body, door handles, everything looking really crisp. And on the quarter panel, it says Park Lane. And on the trunk, we have a Mercury logo, all very crisp. Very, very prominent, good looking fastback, slick, streamlined car. On inside, we've got our dash, lots of great detail on there, clock, radio, controls, speedometer, other gauges. There's our steering wheel, very nice detail. There is a convertible version, so there is a boot inside. Here's our interior tub, very nice trimmings inside. Very prominent, easy to detail. We have 3 pedals on the floor and a console in the middle. Moving on, we've got our engine tree, radiator support with brake master cylinders, heater, all sorts of detail on the firewall. Our exhaust manifold, our 2 engine and transmission halves, oil pan. We got 1 set of belt pulleys, steering column, a couple of suspension components, overflow tank, air cleaner. There's another roll bar. We got a fan, a well-detailed battery, top half of our engine. The part hanging on here, I believe, is like a record player or something like that. Some custom part. Here is the pulleys for that blower setup. A little trophy stand there, a couple of custom parts, and a custom front end, I do believe. Moving along. This is a little racing tree. Looks like we have our roll bars with some textured padding there. If you want this style roll bar inside, we got some side door bars. We got some wheel rings. There's our straps to hold the hood down. There's our straps for the rear window, fire extinguisher, and more door bars. Some more parts. We got the hood. Has nice under hood texture for that insulation. We got a set of stock style buckets. Then we've got a couple of custom or racing style buckets. We got some, I believe that's our supercharger and blower pipe. A little jack there for custom display. And here's a bunch of our custom parts, or custom tree. Check this out. We got the internal parts of our brakes, our brake drums with the pads, springs, everything detailed there. For when you go custom and take your wheel off, we got a horn, got a telephone, we got a license plate, got a couple of fabric textured covers, lots of little bolts and covers, knobs, little scoops, all sorts of cool custom. Big old large cruiser skirts. There's some more maybe radio components or something. We got a surfboard up top. We got wheels there, nice standard steel wheels. These are must be headrest pads. Looks like we got some racing seats, and then we've got some standard seat belts, and then of course some more customizing body parts. Lots of cool custom goodies. And that does it for the opaque parts. We've got chrome and clears left. And here we are with the chrome. We got the stock chrome front end with the 64 date. And there's the rear with the 64 date. We've got some, these must be top of fender trim, rear view mirror, a shifter. There is our kind of brake backing, differential covers, set of wheels, second set of wheel covers. We get into some custom grills. We got some knockoffs there, all sorts of custom goodies. Sorry about the flash from all the chrome, very bright chrome. Looks like we got some exhaust. We got a nice grill, kind of a bulleted grill, a couple of aerials. We got valve covers. Let me move this light and see if that helps. There we got some gauges, tacks. We got a trophy topper. Again, more of our supercharger, shifter, custom steering wheel. Go back and forth. We got some kind of lights, kind of like the 58 Chevy lights, marker lights, and such. Lots going on, lots of cool custom stuff there. Or make yourself a good-looking stock 64 Mercury. The choice is yours. And last but not least, we got the clears. We got some more custom parts, custom grill parts. Got some Lucas lights. We got some bullets. Kind of our one-piece front and back windows. And then we do have a small tree of reds for our taillights. or custom taillights. Nice little bulleted taillights. And that will do it. If you guys notice, there is no decals for the racing version. So if you're looking to do a race car, you're going to have to source your own decals. And with that, photos to follow, and thanks for watching.